Hello and welcome to Little Hammer 3D Printing and Design. This is one of my first videos, so bear with me. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Prusa-Box for the Prusa MK3S Plus. Overall, let's just start out by saying amazing quality. I talked with a guy on Facebook a few times, had a couple questions. Instructions could be a little bit more in depth on certain things for the mods, but that's usually like when you're going to be putting a mod on the box, the original box design. The mods that I currently have with the box are the modular panel on the front. We've got the fan control, the original Prusa. There, lights, internal spool holder, the HEPA filter for the charcoal. I think that's it. Let's see, everything fits together very nice. That's with it open, the fan running. I used a Noctura 2000 RPM motor, or fan, might I say. I actually think I would like to upgrade that to a 3000 RPM fan. A couple of design things I'd like to see, or I'm going to do different, is the feet. I think should be about an inch taller, right here. That way we can get more airflow underneath. When I raised up the box with, these are actually leftover 3D printed tires that were the wrong scale. When I raised them up, it dropped 3 degrees Celsius in the box. Pretty much instantly. So I think the feet need to be taller. Everything else fit great. I don't know if you can see with the lights on. Let me try to readjust. The clips for the LED light kit didn't work with the lights that I bought with the box, because there's like a gel on the LEDs. When I tried to put the clips over top of it, it just ripped the gel off. So the best option I found was just use zip ties, and I think it looks nice. Put a zip tie right around the LED. I also used some split. It's like a cable management. Basically, it just keeps all your cables together. It's a split sheathing that you just wrap around it. So the vertical one was too small to fit it, but it works good. Other than that, very impressed, very happy with the purchase of the Prusa-Box. I actually have a second one for a second MK3S Plus, and I'm actually going to stack them on top of each other. So maybe I'll do another video afterwards with the two boxes stacked on top of each other. And as you can see, that's actually just finished printing the second, or the new set of corners, top and bottom, for the new box. I also did the internal filament holder. It does take about 1 kilogram, roughly, of filament for all the 3D printed parts. Alright, I hope everybody liked the video. If you got any questions, comments, don't be afraid to leave them here. Thanks. Till next time. Bye.